Finally, for many seniors, independent or assisted living communities can be a great option. Moving out of your home may seem daunting and unpopular, but do you really want to be 85 and have to mow the lawn, do the dishes, clean the house? Doing laundry at 90 is kind of a pain, and walking in and out of your house alone can be frightening and dangerous. In a community, you have a smaller apartment, housekeeping, choice of meals in the dining room, and the ability to socialize or stay in if you choose. No dishes, no laundry, not bad. If you can afford this option, this is the way to go, and many assisted living facilities now have buy-ins. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our newest content.